5S is an integral part of lean manufacturing since it focuses heavily on the elimination of waste. This video will teach you how to implement SORT at your company so you may realize all of the benefits of 5S. In review, the 5 S's are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain in that order. We will focus on sort for the remainder of this presentation. Everyone can relate to a messy garage, and that can be compared to our workplace. We gather too many things over time, and pretty soon we can barely walk around. We spend way too much time searching for the things we need, and sometimes we can't even find them. When we have to complete a project in messy conditions like this, it becomes very difficult. Not to mention how frustrating it would be to work in these conditions, or how easy it might be to get injured. Many managers tolerate these conditions in the workplace because they do not understand the extent of the waste and the consequences involved. In order to clear the clutter from your area, you have to define what is needed in the immediate area. To do this, consider the following items: cabinets that can hide outdated material and unneeded items, paperwork that is not required for current production, gauges that are not going to be used right away, machines and equipment that may be obsolete, packaging materials that do not belong in the area, parts and assemblies that are gathering dust, blueprints that are outdated or not required, shelving that can gather items we no longer use, extra supplies that we have gathered over time that don't belong in the area, tables that tend to collect items that are rarely used, tooling that we have gathered over the course of years and don't know what to do with, towels that we use for cleaning, and sometimes we even collect too much trash in our area. Let's create a department we can use as an example that needs to be sorted out. In this department we have machines with workbenches at each machine, employee-owned toolboxes, supply cabinets, plenty of work in process at each machine, chairs for the employees to sit on, trash cans at each machine, pallets for putting completed parts on, and probably a forklift to move all of the work in process. This example is fairly typical for a department in a manufacturing company. This was just a preview for our new Extreme Lean 5S DVD series, which will take you through each stage of the 5S process, where we take the time to explain how you can improve or implement that stage in your workplace. The entire video is 41 minutes and can be purchased at www.extremelean.us. If you want to become lean, start with 5S today.